In contrast to modern topical sealers, olive oil soap is a great natural solution to integral lime plaster protection. When a concentrated solution is diluted and applied, the inherent suction of the lime pulls the mixture into the plaster capillaries. While the water inevitably evaporates, the soap combines with the free lime at the surface of the plaster, forming a very fine layer of natural calcite. Multiple coats of the solution produce an unparalleled shine that is naturally hydrophobic. Application is safe, non-toxic, and all natural. For detailed instructions on how to make your own solution at virtually no cost, and other inside tips and tricks, join the Plaster Portal today.